Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make strawberry Danish. First, let's prepare our pastry base. Using pre-made puff pastry makes this recipe much simpler. Just thaw your pastry sheets in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes until they are pliable. Carefully unfold them onto a lightly floured surface. Then, cut each sheet into 4 equal squares, roughly 4 by 4 inches, to form the foundation of your delicious danishes. Next, we'll create the luscious cream cheese filling. In a bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Stir in 1 large egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a rich flavor. Beat the mixture until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Then, spoon about 1 tablespoon of this delightful filling right into the center of each pastry square. Now for the star of our Danish, the strawberries. Slice about 1 cup of fresh strawberries into small, bite-sized pieces. Carefully arrange these vibrant strawberry slices over the cream cheese filling on each pastry square. To form the classic Danish shape, gently fold the 4 corners of each pastry square towards the center, overlapping them slightly. Lightly press down on the corners to secure them in place. Finally, it's time to bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the danishes on a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 18 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. While they cool, prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk. Drizzle this sweet glaze over your cooled strawberry danishes for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.